What's the most unexpectedly meaningful routine in your life? I've been with my boyfriend for 3 years. Everything seemed normal until my coworker Maya brought up something weird during lunch yesterday. In our relationship, I always take the first bite of his food. Like, always. It started one evening when he was having a rough day. He watched me taste his pasta and said, "Your bites make it taste better," with this little smile. Somehow it just stuck. At home, he sits with his fork down, waiting. At restaurants, he slides his plate over before taking a bite. Even with takeout, he watches me try his portion first. I never thought twice about it. It was just our thing. Yesterday, Maya watched this ritual and asked if I was his personal food taster like some medieval queen. I laughed it off, but it got me thinking. So last night, when I served dinner, I didn't take my usual bite of his spaghetti. He picked up his fork, took a tiny bite, then just stopped. He stared at his plate for a moment before quietly sliding it toward me. "You forgot," he said softly. The look in his eyes, I can't explain it. I took my bite, and it was like watching him physically relax. Later, I found out his mom used to do this. Take the first bite to show him food was safe. She passed away when he was 8. Now I keep thinking about that moment of hesitation.